Inflation hits lowest level since 2021, Fed's preferred gauge shows. Yahoo Finance. The inflation print could help determine whether the Fed might cut interest rates sooner than many think. Below are your comments. The GDP report along with this information makes the job of the Federal Reserve easy this month. Leave the interest rate right where it is. If the economy is growing, as the government claims, and if inflation is slowing, as the government claims, why would the Fed lower interest rates? The Fed only lowers interest rates to spur economic growth or to increase inflation. I hope the Fed leaves the interest rates where they are for the next couple of months for sure to hopefully see inflation stabilize even further. Don't rock the boat now. We are headed in the right way. U.S. credit card debt has risen 32% between December 2020 and September 2023. The federal deficit grew 19.4% during that period. That is not indicative of a strong economy. I don't care about percentage increase or decrease, I care about linear cost increases. For example, say that in January 2020 the cost to buy things was $100 and in November 2023 the cost was $200. That shows the true inflation to buy things. Who cares if it was $190 a year ago? Next news. Elon Musk suggests Tesla and 9 Chinese companies will be the top 10 carmakers. Fortune. The billionaire Tesla CEO just took his praise of China's electric vehicle makers up a notch. Below are your comments. Toyota will be the #1 top seller. According to Consumer Reports, Kia and Hyundai has greater reliability than Tesla. So just because you suffer from nameplate envy, does not mean your Tesla is better than Kia or Hyundai. Lexus and Honda and Toyota is ranked high on the list and dominate reliability. Tesla is not even close. EVs in. Well, this would be assuming global consumers remain interested in EVs, especially in current form. In China, the government has a huge hand in the cars people can attain, but in the US, consumers are incentivized with rebates, which have largely helped EV sales. Yet, EVs are still minority sellers in Elon, that beeping sound you hear is Toyota backing up over the remains of Tesla. They are proving once again, they are the pinnacle of the auto industry. Wall Street can continue to portray Tesla as something more than an auto company, somehow claiming it is a tech company because first, it make Toyota equals #1, Tesla equals last place. Next news. 3 stocks to give you 10% plus yield, one may surprise you. Benzinga. The tech industry experienced a surge that is expected to continue booming with artificial intelligence, AI advancement. But some sectors also recorded poor returns. Dish Network Corp. has been the biggest loser so far in 2023 with a 54% drop in revenue, 3% shy of its 2022 results. Companies like the Home Depot Inc. registered low sales of big-ticket items as consumers focused on small projects. There was a time when having shares in TV networks was a big deal. But that changed with all wireless. Below are your comments. None these provide a 10% yield. It is more like 1%. Meta has 4 billion monthly active users. And pigs can fly. The real mystery is how does Yahoo Finance stay in business when they continually pump out articles that are written at a third-grade level and don't even cover the supposed subject topic. OMG, this may be the stupidest thing I've ever read. Starts with yield, then calls it profit. But means 10% growth in stock price, which is neither yield nor profit. I thought this was a bot or AI 'cause it is so dumb, but it is worse than that sad face. Next news. Broadcom to cut almost 1,300 VMware jobs in California after takeover. Bloomberg. Broadcom Inc. plans to fire almost 1,300 VMware Inc. employees in California following the completion of a $61 billion acquisition that pushed the chipmaker deeper into the software industry. Most read from Bloomberg. Tesla's cheapest Cybertruck will cost $60,990 and be available in 2025. Banking escapees make billions from private credit boom. These are the world's most expensive cities to live in right now. Saudi Arabia offers Iran investment to blunt Gaza war. Israel says Hamas violated T. Below are your comments. Money before employees has been Tan's motto since he took over. It's all about making the quarterly and annual projections. Do whatever you have to do to not come in way over your quarterly numbers, and also the reverse side. Do what you have to come in at your numbers. So many large companies poo. Oh, a heck of a lot more than 1,300 of them are getting fired. Entire marketing department, I'm sure. More SNAP recipients on the horizon. Sounds like BMW had a bunch of useless dead weight. Next news. Stock market. 4 hottest areas for growth in 2024. Yahoo Finance. Next year, investors could see growth in these 4 sectors. Aaron Dunn, portfolio manager at Morgan Stanley, told Yahoo Finance. Below are your comments. I just wondering that if anyone paid attention about the Yahoo's scale of valuation. NVDA was tagged as overvalued for long time. What is it now? Near fair value. Why the people still keep selling this valuable stock? I like to be a shareholder of a best company with dominance of the AI chips and M. Do they pay to be featured in these articles? I agree with you, Michelle. NVDA is going to continue to tear the cover off the ball in 2024 and beyond. Never underestimate the power of the mighty leather jacket. Bahaha Moneybag Moneybag Moneybag. 4 highest growth areas in 2024. Government debt. Next news. MicroStrategy bought another $5.9 million worth of BTC, bringing total holdings to $6.6 billion. CoinMarketCap. Tech company MicroStrategy has expanded its Bitcoin BTC holdings to a total of 174,530 BTC, valued at about $6.65 billion. Below are your comments. Bitcoin is just a software that creates fake internet Ponzi tokens, not a precious metal from the RTH with limited supply like rhodium. Bitcoin has already also copied itself 4 times. Hard fork, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold. It was a good scam with the technical jargon that was had to understand. Still not interested? A little bit or more makes me smile, slightly smiling face. Go Bitcoin go. Go Dogecoin, better crypto with more upside potential. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.